Hi everybody. 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. The second is a memory tip. Researchers say you remember stuff better when you say it out loud, and we organized this video to make use of that little brain quirk. When you see a pause button with a question mark appear, pause the video and answer the question out loud. When the pause button has a talking face, again pause the video and repeat the example out loud. This will help you remember better. This video explains 2 Japanese patterns using としたら or とすれば and としても. These are intermediate level patterns that come up in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. としたら and とすれば present a hypothetical state or situation that doesn't or didn't exist. The speaker might then ask a question or express some feeling about that state or situation. It's usually translated by something like suppose, if we assume, if it happens that, etc. Here's an example.
3億円当たったとしたら何に使う?
Okay, this diagram shows the grammar. Use the plain form of a noun, adjective or verb before としたら or とすれば. That's all the explanation we need, so let's do the practice examples.
大金持ちになりますよ。
本当にそうだとしたら嬉しいな。俳優にならなかったとしたら教師になっていたと思います。この地図が正しいとすれば、もうすぐ山小屋に着くはずだ。
合格したとすれば連絡があるはずです。
としても often expresses situations like even if A is true, B is still true. It's usually translated using even if or assuming. Here's an example.
とても可愛いですよ。
お世辞だとしてもちょっと嬉しい。
So this grammar is almost the same as the previous pattern. Use the plain form of a noun, adjective or verb before としても. Now for the fun stuff. Let's do a few practice examples. Remember to say them out loud.
タクシーで行ったとしてももう間に合わない。
漢字を1日に10個覚えたとしても半年以上かかる。
冗談だったとしても許せない。明日大地震が起きたとしても不思議ではない。
Okay, so this video looked at 2 patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance N3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.